For all my potato paru lovers, this is for you. This is a perfect excuse to have potatoes for breakfast. The best part is they are healthy-ish. The ingredients are cheese, which is optional, eggs, and potatoes. Start off by seasoning your potatoes with salt, paprika, rosemary, and oregano, and mix it all up. Then in a hot pan, pour in some oil and add in your potatoes. Ensure the potatoes are evenly distributed in the pan and cover for about 5 to 8 minutes. After 10 minutes or so, your potatoes will be kind of crispy, and that is exactly what we're looking for. You can eat them at this point, but what's the fun in that? Add in your eggs, which you have seasoned with salt and pepper, and cover. After 2 minutes or so, add in your cheese and cover. The final bit is to garnish with coriander. And you are ready to enjoy a wholesome, filling breakfast for lunch or a snack. Basically, be ready to enjoy these amazing potatoes. And definitely have me on speed dial. Enjoy!